I can't remember the last time I used butter on toast or in cooking. Certainly don't want the saturated fats or the cholesterol. Instead, olive oil is my fat of choice, and roasted garlic with olive oil is a great substitute to spread on bread, as is pesto, both of which have heart-healthy components. So I put about 20 or 30 garlic cloves on this parchment paper, wrapped it in aluminum foil, drizzled it after drizzling it with some olive oil, and I put it in a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. And then when it came out, I used this masher. And so this is a spreadable garlic. I used it on the avocado toast in the previous video. And it's a great butter substitute, much healthier, tastier. Enjoy.